afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing and some work on the WX. So let me just show you guys something real quick to kind of preface why I bought what I bought. So here's my side skirt, and if I just, yeah, I can just knock it right off with a good old push. Obviously nothing's really gonna be pushing on it while I'm driving, but having nice new clips and everything in there and under it and wherever, keeping it held on is something I thought would be very important. So I bought a bunch of new clips, which I believe are right here. So I'm actually gonna bring you guys inside and show you which ones we got. Alright, so there's really no way to do this without making a mess, so I'm just gonna... Actually, it wasn't too bad. It was not too bad. So let me just clean this up real quick. Alright, cool. So I ordered a bunch of these, which they actually look smaller. A bunch of these clips, which if you're a Subaru guy, you would know. These are the clips that go on... Oh wow, these are very nice. Go on the underside of the side skirt, holding it up into the bottom of the car. So I got a bunch of those. Oh, let's see, I got a couple of these. I ordered new clips for my front grille, because right now I'm using zip ties on the two end pieces. So I'm gonna put these on, and then it should just clip right in. I hope so. These are all right from Subaru, so we are getting some quality parts. I don't know why it just got so dark, but we're just gonna do with it. Next, what is this one? So I guess there's side skirt screw rivets, which all it is a screw and like a little plastic clip piece combined. I'm not sure if I need them. I just ordered them because they're for the side skirts, and I'd rather have more hardware than less. So I got, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. So that's sweet. And then I got a bunch of the clips that go actually in the side skirt. These little plastic ones. Come on. These ones have that little plastic piece that slides into the skirt and then into the body of the car. So I'm gonna actually take, well, that side skirt's already off. I'm gonna just go replace all the hardware on there. And that might be a kind of a short video for today. I just wanted to show you guys that, like, these are kind of like little important things that you can do to improve small pieces of your car. You don't always have to be spending a ton of money or getting like custom hardware. It's just like little things like this that I had like kind of a gap hanging from my side skirt, that getting some new clips that are all OEM and just popping it back on will make hopefully a huge difference. I can't wait to put them all on and see what it looks like. Alright. So I'm just going to start by removing all the old hardware, and I will be saving this just in case I need some backup. It's always good just to have extra. Got some like rocks and stuff. Get all that crap out. Sweet. So it looks like I only have enough for one side skirt, which means I'll have to order another one eventually, or another little baggie of these. But I do have 5 extra that were off of this one. So let's pop all these new ones in and see what that does for us. You take this and just slide it right in there. It really can, you can go either way. I would put it so that it's sideways. I feel like that's just easier. But it just places right in. It's not like a tight fit, but I'm guessing that once it goes into the actual hole, it'll just hold it nice and tight in place. So I'm just gonna place all of those in. Alright, let's just try putting this on here. Just slide this up. Wow. That's really good. So you gotta give it a pretty firm press, but that all holds in really nice. Wow, that's awesome. I'm gonna look under here, and I think the only place I can really see for the screw rivets is one spot right behind the mud flap, which actually lines up with the mud flap hole right here. So I'm gonna try getting a screwdriver and just seeing if I can screw that one in. Hopefully that'll hold the mud flap on a little bit, and then give the side skirt, I guess, a little bit extra strength. Lastly, I'm just gonna put all these bottom clips in, and my side skirt should be good. This is holding on like really well now. Like I'm really hyped on that. I do plan on getting different side skirts eventually, but right now this is the best we got, and it ain't too bad. Alright, so I ended up not actually putting the screw through the mud flap. I just put it into the side skirt and then screwed it in. Just since trying to actually get it to fit through the more narrow slot on the flap and then actually all the way in to the side skirt was proving to be more difficult, and I didn't want to kind of jeopardize the clip that I just bought and kind of like make it useless by not having it sit all the way in. So I figured I would use it to its full potential and just put it right where it's supposed to be. Alright, since that didn't go as planned, I'm going to look into installing those little clips for the front grille so that won't have to be using zip ties anymore. So currently you can see it's being held on by a zip tie here and a zip tie here. So we're gonna break those off and then see if we can just put the clips in. With both of those off, you can just take this right out. You take this and you place it just in vertically, and it just kind of pops into place, just right like that. All right, of course, super bright again, so let me fix that. So we're just gonna slide this back in, see what happens. Okay. Seems like it locked in. So if you want to take it out, you press down on that little front of the tab that is sticking out on the grill, and that releases it. So that's pretty cool. Alright, we're gonna start from this side. That one doesn't want to go. These two are good. Hey, I mean, she's definitely in there. Sweet. It looks like what it is, there's a little dent, right? There's kind of a dent in my radiator support here. So if I pound that out and make it flat again, this clip should actually seat. But right now it doesn't want to really go. But hey, that's better than having zip ties here. Like I was saying earlier, it's just the little things. I'm kind of stoked on just having some new OEM clips back on the car, keeping things the way they were from the factory. It's kind of just really cool to be doing stuff that it was the way it was supposed to be, if that makes sense. I don't know, I get some enjoyment out of that. I think that's pretty cool, having OEM parts back on the car, keeping it the way it's supposed to be. Obviously we've got a long way to go to get this to like the perfection that I want it at, but a little way to start. So that's pretty much all it is for today. I will link, I'll link fastwx.com down below. That's where I got all these from. They're right from Subaru, like made in Japan, all the legit stuff. And FastWX actually has a lot of cool parts that I don't usually see on some of the other sites. So I would definitely check them out if you have a WRX of, pretty sure it's like all models of WRX. So even and STI too, they have STI parts. So I would definitely check them out. Obviously this isn't paid for or sponsored by them. All that stuff will be linked down below. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media to stay up to date with what we're doing on a pretty much weekly basis. We've always got some stuff going on. And we'll catch you next time. Peace out and stay wicked.